Hi, this is blogger Jide Ogunsoya of ogbongeblog.com. Today I'm going to show you how I print recharge vouchers from home and my office. If you want to print recharge vouchers like I do, you will need a computer, a software, a printer, papers and epins. You can use any computer, be it a desktop or a laptop, and you don't even need an internet connection for printing the recharge vouchers. As for the printers, I recommend LaserJet printers because the DeckJet printers use cartridges that are quite expensive. You can use plain white papers or customized papers. That is, you can customize your white papers anyhow you like before using them in printing the recharge vouchers. As for the epins, you will have to be buying them from recharge card dealers. As an individual, you cannot walk in directly into a telecom operator's office to buy epins. You can only buy them from dealers. It is only these dealers that have the license and rights to buy these pins and recharge cards directly from the telecom operators. So after these dealers buy those recharge pins and recharge cards from those operators, they can now sell them to you. So that is why you have to buy them from the dealers. As for the software, I use NetEvo epin manager, which you can download at www.rechargecardprinting.com. The software is simply a universal software. You can use it to print recharge vouchers of all networks in Nigeria. And you can use it to print pins which you buy from any dealer. It even supports the 16-digit MTN epin format. So I've connected my printer and installed the NetEvo epin manager on my laptop. So the next thing for me to do now is to show you how I print the recharge vouchers using the NetEvo epin manager. So the first thing for you to do, after you might have installed and activated the software, is to launch the software and sign in with your username and password. Once you are signed into the NetEvo epin manager, the first thing to do is to edit your company details. So you come to admin options, setup, company details. So right here, you have to enter your business name or your company name and location. If you don't want your business name to appear on your printed recharge vouchers, then you can delete everything that is here. Once you are done, you click on save and close. So the next thing for you to do is to import the epin file you want to print with this software. So you come to File, Import Pin File, and you will see this window. So the first thing to do is to select the pin file that is on your system. After you might have purchased your epin file from your dealer, you might have saved it on your system. So for you to print these epins, you have to select it from where it is saved on your system. So you click on these, then you select the epin file, click open. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to print MTN vouchers. So right here, I'm going to select MTN, and right here I'll enter the index number. The index number can be any number. We only use it to differentiate the epin files we print. So if I want to print another epin file later, I will have to enter another index number. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to enter JD001. You can load all or you can load a range. Then you click on load pins. Yes. And you wait for the pins to load. Once successfully loaded, you click on OK and done. So the next thing for you to do now is to click on print options and print vouchers. So because my epin file is MTN epin file, I will have to click on MTN. So right here I'm going to select plain paper 10 sheets because the papers I want to use are plain paper, so I'll use plain paper 10 vouchers per sheet. You leave it as portrait. Then right here you can print all or you print a range. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to print 10 vouchers on a sheet of paper. So print range, then you click on print. You leave it as it is, then you click on proceed. So once you are okay with the preview or the vouchers, then you can click on the print icon. Print. Then you select the printer you want to use and you click on print. Then you wait for the vouchers to start coming out of your printer. As you can see, the printout is now coming out of the printer. That's it. These are 10 vouchers on a white plain paper. Well, you can download this software at www.rechargecardprinting.com. Please share this with your friends.